think walking alone is enough to stay strong and pain-free as you age. Think again. In today's video, I'll reveal the 5 essential exercises you must do to stay strong, mobile, and pain-free after 65. These are the exercises that will keep you active, independent, and feeling better than ever, no matter your age. Don't miss out on discovering how you can unlock your full potential as you age. As we get older, many of us start to believe that walking is enough to keep our bodies strong and healthy. It's a natural, low-impact activity, and it's certainly better than being sedentary. But here's the truth. Walking alone isn't enough. While it's a great start, walking won't address all the important aspects of maintaining your strength, flexibility, and pain-free movement. As you age, the body undergoes changes that require more than just walking to maintain health. You need a comprehensive approach: strength exercises to maintain your muscle mass, balance exercises to keep you steady, flexibility training to prevent stiffness, and low-impact cardio to keep your heart and lungs in top condition. It may sound like a lot, but don't worry. You don't need to run marathons or lift heavy weights. The right exercises can be simple, accessible, and effective for seniors. What really matters is consistency and dedication to taking care of your body. You may be wondering, am I too old to do this? Let me tell you, it's never too late. Age is just a number. The ability to stay strong, flexible, and independent is within your reach. The key is getting started and taking small, manageable steps. I've seen people in their 70s, 80s, and even their 90s build incredible strength, improve their mobility, and reduce pain simply by embracing the right exercises. You are capable of doing the same. Today, I'm going to share 5 best exercises for seniors 65 plus that will help you stay strong, mobile, and pain-free as you age. These exercises are designed to be accessible, easy to perform, and most importantly, effective. The first exercise I want to highlight is strength training. Now, I know what you might be thinking. The strength training sounds intimidating. I'm not a bodybuilder, but don't worry. Strength training for seniors doesn't have to involve heavy weights or intense lifting. What I'm talking about is functional strength, the kind of strength that helps you perform everyday tasks with ease, from picking up groceries to standing up from a chair without pain. Here's the reality. As we age, we lose muscle mass, and this process starts as early as our 30s. By the time we reach our 60s or 70s, many of us have lost a significant amount of muscle. This can lead to weakness, joint pain, and even increased risk of falls. But the good news is that muscle loss is not inevitable. You can slow down and even reverse this process with the right exercises. Strength training helps you maintain and build muscle, which will support your bones and joints, improve your posture, and even boost your metabolism. You don't need to lift heavy weights. You can start with your own body weight, resistance bands, or light dumbbells. Simple exercises like chair squats, wall push-ups, or resistance band exercises are perfect for seniors. These movements will target key muscle groups and help you build functional strength. When you strengthen your muscles, you make everything easier. Standing, walking, carrying groceries, these everyday tasks become easier, and you'll experience less pain and stiffness as your muscles support your joints better. The second exercise I want to talk about is balance training. As we age, balance becomes one of the most important aspects of staying independent. Balance isn't just something we think about when we're doing something difficult. It affects everything. Maintaining balance helps prevent falls, and it also plays a huge role in improving posture and overall mobility. You see, falls are a leading cause of injury for seniors, and they can have serious consequences. But the good news is balance can be improved with practice. By doing specific balance exercises, you can significantly reduce your risk of falls and feel more confident in your ability to move around your home, outside, and in social situations. Balance exercises are simple but incredibly effective. Start with something basic like standing on one leg for 10-15 seconds at a time, holding onto a sturdy chair or counter for support if necessary. As you gain strength and confidence, you can try heel-to-toe walking or leg raises to challenge your balance further. These exercises work by training the muscles in your legs and core, which are the muscles responsible for maintaining your stability. By incorporating balance exercises into your daily routine, you will feel steadier on your feet, reduce the fear of falling, and improve your posture. Balance exercises don't have to be complicated. They just need to be consistent. The third exercise is stretching and flexibility training. Flexibility is one of the first things to decline as we age. Our muscles and joints become stiffer, and we may notice that we aren't able to move as freely as we used to. This stiffness leads to discomfort and pain, and over time it can make everyday movements more difficult. But the good news is flexibility can be restored, and it's one of the most important components of healthy aging. Stretching is a gentle but effective way to keep your muscles loose and your joints flexible. There are many stretches you can do from a seated position if you have limited mobility. Start with simple stretches for your neck, shoulders, hamstrings, and lower back. Gentle yoga poses or dynamic stretching routines can also be excellent for improving flexibility and reducing tension. One of the best ways to get started is to add stretching to your daily routine. You can stretch after you wake up, before bed, or even in the middle of the day. A few minutes of stretching every day will help improve your range of motion, reduce muscle stiffness, and prevent injuries. And plus, stretching helps to reduce stress and improve your overall mood, making it a win for both your body and mind. The fourth exercise is low-impact cardiovascular exercise. Heart health is one of the most important aspects of aging well, and cardio exercise is a fantastic way to keep your heart and lungs in top shape. But high-impact activities like running or jumping might be too tough on your joints, especially if you have arthritis or other joint issues. That's where low-impact cardio comes in. Walking, swimming, cycling, or using an elliptical machine are all excellent low-impact exercises that provide great cardiovascular benefits without straining your joints. A brisk 30-minute walk a few times a week can have a huge impact on your heart health, blood pressure, and overall well-being. Swimming is another fantastic low-impact cardio option that works your entire body while being gentle on your joints. Water aerobics is also a great choice for seniors as the water supports your body, making movements easier and less painful. By incorporating low-impact cardiovascular exercise into your routine, you'll improve your heart health, boost your metabolism, and increase your energy levels. Plus, you'll experience the added benefit of improved mood, as cardiovascular exercise has been shown to reduce symptoms of depression and anxiety. The fifth and final exercise is core strengthening. Your core muscles, those around your abdomen, lower back, and pelvis, the foundation of your body's strength. A strong core supports your spine, improves your posture, and helps you maintain balance. It also reduces the risk of falls and low back pain, which can be common as we age. Core exercises don't have to be intense. Start with seated leg lifts, pelvic tilts, and abdominal bracing. These simple movements can make a huge difference in your strength and stability. As you get stronger, you can incorporate gentle seated twists or even basic planks if you're comfortable. A strong core will help you perform everyday tasks like lifting objects, walking and sitting down and standing up from a chair with ease. You'll also notice improvements in your posture, and better posture can reduce strain on your joints and muscles. Plus, core exercises are fantastic for your mental well-being. They help you feel more confident and stable. Now, I know you might be thinking, it's too late for me to start doing all of this. But it's never too late to start, and the key is simply to begin where you are. Start with one or two exercises and gradually build up your routine. The more consistent you are, the more benefits you'll see. The goal is not perfection, it's progress. These 5 exercises, strength training, balance exercises, flexibility training, low impact cardio, and core strengthening, or the foundation of staying strong, pain-free, and independent as you age. It's about moving consistently, challenging your body in the right ways, and taking care of yourself so you can continue to live your best life, no matter your age. So I encourage you to start today. Don't wait until tomorrow. Take control of your health and experience the strength, vitality, and freedom you deserve. The body is capable of amazing things, no matter your age.